finally here, the moment we have been waiting for. The iLX-407 is here. Now let's look to see if the upgrade is worth it. Let's start the unboxing and take a deeper look. Now let's see what's included in the box. The unit will include the wired Bluetooth microphone, USB extension, wire harness, and set screws. Nothing crazy or out of the ordinary here. So the iLX-407 is much like the iLX-W650, the industry-changing stereo released from Alpine in 2019. You will notice some additional inputs on the back of the unit that will be for additional features. But there are some key differences between the two units. You'll notice there is an HDMI option and the Maestro option. For those wondering what the Maestro option will do, this will allow you to retain some of your factory controls via the iLX-407. You will, however, need to get the vehicle-specific Datalink Maestro module to use these features. Now that we have all that out of the way, let's take a deeper dive and get this unit turned on. Right when you get the unit turned on, boot up took about 11 seconds on our test. With the unit on, you'll notice a quality screen. Just like the iLX-W650, you get a 7-inch VGA display with a capacitive touch. This also gives you a customizable screen, so you can drag and drop your frequently used options to the ideal spot on your screen. Quickly find apps and add custom wallpaper through a thumb drive. CarPlay and Android Auto features are easy to use with this display, very responsive. With CarPlay and Android Auto, you will get all the CarPlay or Android Auto, Google Assistant enabled apps, depending on which device you are using, on your stereo screen, so there is no more playing around with your phone. Make and answer phone calls, play music, read and reply to messages, or use navigation on a much larger screen. Now, with the HDMI input, you get expandability options. Use the HDMI input to connect an external CD or DVD player. This way, you can enjoy music or videos from sources other than your phone or USB drive. Now, don't forget, the iLX-407 keeps the same shallow mount design as the iLX-W650. So, of course, it will be compatible with external and optional power stack amplifiers, the KTA-450 or the KTA-200M. The KTA-450 will up your power to your speakers, factory or aftermarket, and the KTA-200M is a monoblock amplifier that will let you add a subwoofer with ease and simplicity. Hope you've enjoyed this new product release, and before you click out of the video, please remember to click that like button and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our future videos.